Hello viewers, welcome in Asmi's Chemistry Academy. Now the third rule of IUPAC name system, we will see when the aldehyde group or the carboxylic group, it is attached to the alicyclic carbon atom. Now what is alicyclic carbon atom? This is alicyclic ring of 6 carbon atom, then the name is cyclohexane. Okay, in the cyclohexane, the first carbon atom or any carbon atom, it will be attached with the CHO, then the name of this, it will be cycloalkane carbaldehyde. Now here the cyclohexane is given, only we have to add the name or word carbaldehyde. Understand very well, that is what, when the cyclic ring is given of any number of carbon atom, then the carbaldehyde word is used with the aldehyde and carboxylic acid same. For example, we will consider this one. This is about the carboxylic acid. Now the cyclohexane, what word we have to use here for the carboxylic acid? That is cyclohexane carboxylic acid. And for the aldehyde, carbaldehyde, we have to use it. Now fourth rule for this, we have to note down in your notebook, that is when the substituted ring is given of benzene, for substituted benzene ring. Now how to write the name? For example, this will be benzaldehyde, and suppose I have written here OH group and here it will be CH3. Now to which carbon atom or which functional group we have to give the first number? Now we are learning under the heading of aldehyde and carboxylic acid, so obviously we have to give the number first to the aldehyde group, second, third, fourth. Okay, now this is the substituted benzene ring, so the name is 4-hydroxy 3-methyl benzaldehyde. Okay, this is the fourth rule. Now why not 3-methyl 4-hydroxy benzaldehyde? Because alphabetically H come first and M is the next. So 4-hydroxy 3-methyl benzaldehyde. That the fifth rule is we have to write the substituent or locand in the alphabetical order. So the name is 4-hydroxy 3-methyl benzaldehyde. Okay, this is what the 4 rules of IUPAC nomenclature system of aldehyde and ketone. Previous video we have learned about the rules of triple name system and the IUPAC name system. Now that rules we will apply to the solution or to solve the examples of aldehyde and carboxylic acid. Now in this video we are going to learn about the nomenclature of some of the examples of carboxylic acid and aldehyde. This is the second part of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. Now let us begin how to give the name, triple name and IUPAC name to the carboxylic acid. Some of the examples we will see. Let's start with the carboxylic acid first. First example, HC double bond O, OH. Okay, this is the first example. Triple name or the common name of this, it is formic acid. And the IUPAC name according to the first rule, it contains only one carbon atom, so the root word is methane and E is replaced by OIC acid. Then the name is methanoic acid. Second example, CH3 C double bond O OH. Its common name is acetic acid and the IUPAC name, the root word is ethane because two carbon atom is there. Then E is replaced by OIC acid and the name, IUPAC name of this example, that is ethanoic acid. Third example, CH3 CH2 C double bond O OH. It contains three carbon atom, so the root word is propionic acid, and because of three carbon atoms, so the root word is propane and the IUPAC name is propanic acid. Next example, CH3 CH2 CH2 C double bond O OH. Now in this 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms are given, so the name is butyric acid and in the common name N prefix is used to show the straight chain. So the N butyric acid. Remember everyone, this IC acid is used to show the trivial name and OIC acid is used to show the IUPAC name system. Now N-butyric is the trivial name and the IUPAC name is butanoic acid. Next example, CH3 CH3 C double bond O OH. This is CH. Now total number of carbon atoms are 1, 2, 3 and this one is 4. So the name is butyric acid, but the type of alkane, it is isoalkane because the second carbon atom contain methyl group. So the prefix is used isobutyric acid and the IUPAC name is, this is first carbon atom, second and third one. Second carbon atom contain methyl group. So the IUPAC name is 2-methyl. In the continuous chain, how many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3. So the root word is propanoic acid. Okay, what is the name? 2-methyl propanoic acid. Now let us see the next example. Let us see the sixth example. CH2 double bond CH COOH. This is the sixth example. Now this is acrylic acid. This is the common name and IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms are there, so the root word is prop. Now here double bond is given on the second carbon atom, so 2 in. Now ENE, actually we have to write it, but again one more functional group is there, that is carboxylic acid. So the E is replaced by OIC acid and the name is prop 2-in-oic acid. Next example is COOH. COOH. Its common name is oxalic acid and the IUPAC name is, how many carbon atoms are there? There are two carbon atoms are given. This is first and this one is second. So the root word is ethane. Now here no need to mention on which carbon atom double bond of OH and OH is given, means COH group is given, because only two carbon atoms are there. So we can write it here, ethane dioic acid. Okay. Now let us see some more examples of aromatic carboxylic acid. Now why they are aromatic carboxylic acid? Because the COOH group, that is carboxyl group, directly attached to the benzene ring. So these are the aromatic carboxylic acid. Its common name is benzene carboxylic acid. Okay, and the IUPAC name is benzoic acid. Let us see one more example of substituted benzene. Substituted benzene, this one is the toluene and COOH group is attached, then the name is orthotolic acid, and the IUPAC name is, this is first carbon atom and this one is the second carbon atom, so the name is 2-methyl benzoic acid. Okay. Next example, again one more substituted benzene example we will take, that is phenol, and when COOH group is attached to it, then its common name is salicylic acid. Now what will be the IUPAC name? This is the first carbon atom and this one is the second, so the IUPAC name is 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. Next, one more example we will see. Now here in this example, two carboxyl groups are attached. Its name is, common name, phthalic acid, and the IUPAC name is benzene dioic acid. Let us see one more example that will be little bit different. Purposely I have taken this example. This is not a benzene, remember everyone, because the alternate single and double bond or the ring is not given. So this is the acyclic hydrocarbon and its name is 6 carbon atoms are there. So it is cyclohexyl carboxylic acid, and the IUPAC name is cyclohexane carboxylic acid. This were the examples of carboxylic acid. Now let us see the examples of aldehyde one by one. We will see. First example, HC double bond OH. Now this functional group is of aldehyde. Now we are going to see the examples of aldehyde. The first example, this one, HC double bond O, its common name is formaldehyde. Now what is the IUPAC name system rule? The root word methane, because one carbon atom is there and from methane we have to replace E by Al. Then the IUPAC name of this example, that is methanol. Second one, CH3 CHO. Okay, its name is acetaldehyde. Now this acetaldehyde name, it is taken from the acetic acid. So its name is acetaldehyde. The IC acid word is replaced by the aldehyde, then the name is acetaldehyde, and its root word is ethane because 2 carbon atoms are there, and again E is replaced by Al. Then the name is ethanol. Third one, CH3, CH2, CHO. 3 carbon atoms are there, so the propionaldehyde. This is also taken from the propionic acid, and the IUPAC name is propanol. Let us see one more example. Fourth one, CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. How many carbon atoms are there? 4. So the name is N-butyric acids. IC acid is replaced by aldehyde. Then the name is N-butyraldehyde, and the IUPAC name is butanol. Further, CH3, CH3, CHO. Now the total 4 carbon atoms are there, but this is the substituent on the second carbon atom, so the prefix is used isobutyraldehyde. Or according to the rule of triple name system, this carbon atom, it is considered as alpha and this one is beta. One more common name of this, it is alpha methyl. How many carbon atoms are there in the straight chain? 3. Propionaldehyde. Okay, this is second common name. And what about the IUPAC name? 2-methyl. For the IUPAC name system, we have to give number from the aldehydic carbon atom 1, 2, 3, and the name of this, it is 2-methyl propanol. Let us see next one. Sixth one, CH2 double bond CH COOH. Okay, in carboxylic acid, this was the acrylic acid, or this is acrylic acid. Now this OOH group is, functional group is changed by CHO, and its name is acrolein. Okay, and the IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. So the name is prop2-in Al, that is prop2-inal. Seventh one, we have seen the example C double bond O OH, C double bond O OH. Okay, now here this OH group, hydroxyl group, is replaced by H, then the name of the example is written CHO CHO. This was the oxalic acid, and from that we have taken the name IC acid word is replaced by oxaldehyde, and the IUPAC name is ethane diol. Okay, this is the second example, this oxaldehyde, seventh one. This oxaldehyde is also called as the glyoxal. This is one more common name which is commonly used, that is glyoxal. Now one more example we will see of aromatic aldehyde. Now what is aromatic aldehyde? The CHO group or the aldehydic group directly attached to the benzene ring, that is the aromatic aldehyde. Its name is benzene carbaldehyde, or just benzaldehyde also we can write it, and the name, this one IUPAC name is benzaldehyde. Okay, benzene carbaldehyde, or in common name we can write both the names same, benzaldehyde, benzaldehyde. One more example of this aldehyde we will see. We will take the one example, that is substituted benzene, that is CH3 and CHO. What was here in the carboxylic acid? COH, then the name is orthotolic acid. Here this one is orthotoludehyde and the IUPAC name is 1 and 2,2-methyl benzaldehyde. This were the some examples of this. Next example, 10th one. We will take substituted benzene with the OH. Now in previous, in carboxylic acid, it was like this and its name was salicylic acid. Now this functional group is replaced by aldehyde and the name is salicylic, and the IUPAC name is 1 and 2, and then 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Okay, next one, COOH and COOH. Its name was phthalic acid, and this COH group is replaced by the functional group aldehyde, and the name is phthalaldehyde, and the IUPAC name is benzene 1,2-diol. Okay, next one, CHO. This is cyclohexane aldehyde. Common name is cyclohexane aldehyde, and the IUPAC name is cyclohexane carbaldehyde. The carbaldehyde word we have to write it when a cyclic ring of the aliphatic hydrocarbons is given. This word is compulsory in the IUPAC name system of acyclic hydrocarbons.